Good morning. This is class 10 NCRT book, chapter number 4, page number 770. Introduction 4.1. In chapter 2, you have studied different type of polynomials. One type was quadratic polynomial of the form ax square plus bx plus c, where a is equal to not 0. When we equate this polynomial to 0, we get a quadratic equation. Quadratic equations come up when we deal with many real life situations. For instance, suppose a charity trust decides to build a prayer hall having a carpet area of 300 square meters with its length 1 meter more than twice its breadth. What should be the length and breadth of the hall? Suppose the breadth of the hall is x meter, then its length should be 2x plus 1 meter. We can depict this information pictorially as shown in figure 4.1. Here you can see this is suppose this is the dimension of the hall to be built. Then suppose this is the breadth is x meter, then this length will be 2x plus 1 meter, and that area is the 300 meter square. This is 300 meter square. And how we will find? Then we have to find the x into 2x plus 1 is equal to 300, and here 2x square plus x is equal to 300. Or 2x square plus x minus 300 is equal to 0. Then the length should be 2x plus 1 meters. We can depict this information pictorially as shown in the figure 4.1. Now area of the hall is that is the 2x square plus x minus 300 is 0, and you say so the breadth of the hall should satisfy the equation 2x square plus x minus 300 is equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation. Many people believe that Babylonians were the first to solve quadratic equations. For instance, they know how to find two positive numbers with a given positive sum and a given positive product. And this problem is equivalent to solving a quadratic equation of the form x square minus px plus q is equal to 0. Greek mathematician Euclid developed a geometrical approach for finding out lengths which in our present day terminology are solutions of quadratic equations. Solving of quadratic equations in general form is often credited to ancient Indian mathematicians. In fact, Brahmagupta AD 598 to 665 gave an explicit formula to solve a quadratic equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c. Later, Sri Dharacharya AD 1025 derived a formula known as the quadratic formula as quoted by the Bhaskara II for solving a quadratic equation by the method of completing the square. An Arab mathematician Al-Khwarizmi about AD 800 also studied quadratic equations of different types. Abraham Bar Hiyahanashi in his book Liber Imbadorum, published in Europe in AD 1145, gave complete solution of different quadratic equations. In this chapter, you will study quadratic equations and various ways of finding their roots. You will also see some applications of quadratic equations in daily life situations. Next point is 4.2 quadratic equation. A quadratic equation in the variable x is an equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers. A is equal to not 0. For example, 2x square plus x minus 300 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Similarly, 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0, 4x minus 3x square plus 2 is equal to 0, and 1 minus x square plus 300 is equal to 0 are also quadratic equations. In fact, any equations of the form px is equal to 0, where px is a polynomial of degree 2, is a quadratic equation, but when we write the terms of px in descending order of their degrees, then we get the standard form of equations, that is ax square plus bx plus c, where a should not be equal to 0 is called the standard form of quadratic equation. Here the standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a should not be equal to 0. This is the standard form of quadratic equation. Suppose one example it is given here in the book, 2x square minus 3x plus 1. 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now you can compare a is equal to 2, a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 1, and 0 is already 0. So this equation is a quadratic equation, and here a is equal to 2, here a is equal to 2 is equal to not equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation, and this is the standard form of quadratic equation.